This photogenic, rusty old railing here at the seafront has loads of photographic energy. It's a great shape, there's great colours, patterns and textures. The only question is looking at it hard enough to find something interesting to do with it. This rusted, decaying old railing has loads of character and tons of texture. The other thing that really caught my eye about it was that it has complementary colours. Colour wheels are things that you can look up on the internet, and the rule of thumb is that if you have a colour wheel and you can find a frame with colours that are opposite each other on that wheel, they'll complement each other really nicely and look great in the frame. And one thing that I know is that this nice light blue here and this rich reddy brown are complementary colours, so they're going to work really well in a frame. We're actually going to shoot this twice. We're going to take one frame dead on where the top of my railing is parallel to the top of my photo frame, and again at a bit more of an angle where we get the top of our railing to meet the top left hand corner of our frame and then run diagonally through the shot for a bit more momentum. Frames within frames are a staple of street photography, and it seems like a shame to waste this charismatic old railing with just a few frames of it when we could shoot through it. The only thing to watch here is focus. Obviously the camera phone here has grabbed the railing at the very front of the frame, and what we want it to do is frame up on the seascape and the boat behind it. After that, it's just a question of framing out these unfortunate cars in the foreground and getting something that is all maritime.